visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Now take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you see this video, the message is also meant to find you. Tingnan natin. One last shuffle. 9 of Cups and the 3 of Wands. At last, no? Nawalan kayo ng communication or less ang communication nyo lately, no, ni person. Nakikita natin dito, medyo nag-aantay din tayo ng sign or probably si person, you can change, no, or you can swap the role because what I'm reading here is the dynamic naman. Let's say si person nag-aantay siya ng sign coming from you na, uy, ready na ako makipag-usap uli or ready na ako makipagbate, no? But then again, someone here feels like, naku, parang pag nag-approach ako, parang feeling ko masasopla ako. So, I think I'd rather wait, no? And probably kumbaga i-test muna yung water bago ko mag-take ng action. So it felt like someone here already either posted something or talagang yung unang nag-approach na parang nakahinga ng mabuti or parang yung ngayon nakakahinga na hi, salamat naman meron ng message, so it means pwede na rin akong mag-rebut with the 10 of Cups. Pwede rin itong nandito kayo sa isang situation na parang nagpapakiramdaman lang kayo. Tapos dumating pa dun sa part na alam nyo meron ng namumuong feelings. Alam nyo na parehas kayo meron ng investment, time, energy, pag-uwi ng bahay, baka kasi nag-aantayan na kayo, no, ng messages, meron ng kumain ka na ba, no, or magkasama na kayo sa work, magkasama pa rin, ay nag-uusap pa rin kayo sa bahay. So it felt like kulang na lang dito is yung formality, no, ng magiging kayo na, pero nandun na rin talaga yung emotion. Baka ito ay pag-amin, no, ng totoo niyang nararamdaman. So tingnan na natin ito with the 5 of Wands and the World card. For those of you na meron ditong separation, ayan. Kasi nakita natin ang naging challenge dito is the third party, no? I feel like something is changing and the changes is really positive. At ang nakikita natin dito with the 5 of Wands, you may be in chaotic situation right now with your person, but I feel like magkakaroon ito ng parang U-turn now with the High Priestess and the 8 of Pentacles. Siguro you give this relationship or dynamic a good fight, no? Parang nilaban mo rin. May mga pagkakataon din dito na sinabi mo sa sarili mo na akin ito or this connection, this relationship supposed to be mine, or I deserve this person, I deserve this relationship. So, hindi ako basta-basta, no, na just giving up and I think I'm going to fight for this relationship. So ang daming sanga-sanga na nangyayari. I feel like medyo magulo din ang naging dynamic mo. Pero kung ano man itong either baka na ito lang yung mga naiisip, no? Baka ito lang yung nagiging takbo ng isa, and then yung iba naman yung isa. Pag nag-collide ito, mas lalong magulo. So, ang nakikita natin dito kaayusan, no? It felt like kung ano man yung mga blockages, hinarang, tinanggal, nilinis, minap, vinacuum, no, ng universe with the Chariot and the Page of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, it kind of make me feel that things are progressing with the Page of Swords. Maraming bagay din ditong mga adjustments na nangyari, adjustment with you, adjustment with your person, and it felt like ito na yung time na parang sinasabi niyo sa sarili niyo, I think we can work on things na, no? I think that we can be together na. I think that this is putting the connection into another level. Magkakaroon na ng clarity. I feel like with the Page of Swords also signing up a contract wherein both of you already understand what kind of relationship is this. Now, with the Seven of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups, actually all the cards are good, no? Ang hindi lang maganda is yung the chaotic part with the Five of Wands. Pero, katulad nung lagi kong sinasabi, there's no perfect relationship. Kung anumang mga gulo ito, gusot na nangyari, it felt like to me, this is just part of, dapat mangyari, no? Kasi nakikita natin yung growth. With the Seven of Wands, ngayon, you are both strategic, giving, or becoming generous with each other. With the Two of Cups, kasi ito yung parang sinasabi nating tayo din mismo, no? Kung tayo ang gumawa ng gulo or ng gusot dito sa relationship, tayo din ang nag-ayos, tayo din ang nagplansya. Ngayon doon po sa mga I think meron na ditong aamin na din ng feeling kung ano totoong nangyari. Whatever the situation of your relationship or dynamic with this person, alam na alam mo na itong relasyon na ito is papunta doon sa magiging kayo. Kumbaga, kampante ka, no? Kampante ka na doon kayo papunta sa pagkakaroon ng label, doon kayo papunta sa cohabitation proposal or marriage, or pagbuo ng family. Let's say si person kasi before or probably ikaw medyo controlled, hindi binibigay yung 100%. So ngayon nakikita natin yung 100% is nandito na, yung 100% is kaya nang i-offer, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na kung kayo nakaka-resonate, please comment sa ating comment section. Kung kayo meron mga question, no? Let me know. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandyan po ang name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign. I am seeing Cancer, Taurus, Leo, Gemini. Cancer is very dominant, no? Pisces, I'm seeing Scorpio, Sagittarius, did I just mention Virgo? Virgo is here. I'm seeing Aries. I'm seeing Aquarius. Yeah, Taurus, Scorpio, and Leo. Yeah, yun doon lang po siya umiikot. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.